Hi guys, Matt from 123myIT here, and in this video we will show you how to transfer data from Android to Android in 2023. If you are transferring data from any Android device to Samsung, then you will be able to transfer contacts, calendar, messages, call logs, apps, settings, photos, videos, and everything else you see here. If you are transferring from Samsung to other devices, then you will be able to transfer contacts, calendar, photos, and videos. Guys, just a few tips before you start. Turn off any security features such as face unlock, fingerprint, or passcodes, as they might interrupt the transfer process. Delete any unwanted videos and pictures. This is to save transfer time and also space on your new phone. If you have a SIM card, you can transfer it at any time. If you have an eSIM, you will be prompted to set it up. We are going to transfer data from a Samsung S23 to a Pixel 7 Pro and back, and we will use an app called SmartSwitch. SmartSwitch will work with most Android phones. However, if it doesn't work for your model, then fast forward to the 1317 mark and I will show you a different app that you can use to transfer your data. Most Samsung phones will have the SmartSwitch app already installed under Settings and Accounts and Backup. But if you can't find it on your device, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Because we are transferring to a Pixel 7 Pro, we will treat this phone like a brand new phone and reset it back to factory defaults. If you can't find reset on your model, swipe down at the top and search for reset. And there it is, so we'll go through and tap reset. Just remember, a reset will wipe any data on your phone, so don't do this if you've still got data that you need to back up first. Alright, so your new phone's been reset now, and we're just going to go ahead and start to set it up. And what you want to do is put it on the same Wi-Fi that your old phone is on. While my Pixel phone here is getting ready, I'm just going to tap on send data because we want to send data from the Samsung to the Pixel phone. On the copy apps and data screen, I'm going to tap next and then tap wireless on our Samsung phone and then next on our Google Pixel phone. We don't want the cable, so we're just going to tap copy without cable. Tap connect on your Samsung phone, and then on your Pixel phone, go and tap next. Now here's the funny thing. Depending on your brand and model of your Android phone, you might not need the SmartSwitch app. Rather, in this case, Google just uses its own software to transfer your data. Okay, so here I just make sure that the numbers are the same on both phones, and then tap next, and then tap copy. And then you will be prompted for your Google account details, so just go ahead and type those in. If your phones don't seem to be doing anything, you can swipe down from the top on your old phone and you'll have a list of notifications about what your phone is actually doing. Choose what to copy. Now you can go through these menus and select the apps and data you want to copy across to your new phone. But in the apps menu, I just want to deselect everything for the video, and I just want to use the copy my data app, as I will use this later in the video. Everything else will remain untouched. I will just copy everything else across. Once you've selected everything you want to copy across, tap copy. Now your phone will start to set everything up. For these Google services, I just turn everything off, but you can make a choice as to what you want to leave on. So at the moment, you can just follow the prompts to keep setting up your phone and wait for the copying of your data to finish. Alright, you can see our Samsung phone on the left there has finished copying. So let's just keep going through with the prompts on our Google Pixel. Alright, so here it shows us a detailed list of what is copied. My music and audio and device settings have all copied, but my call history did not. That's fine, as the Samsung was a new phone for this video, so it didn't have any call history. Again, let's go through and follow the prompts. Awesome, so now you have copied across your data and everything has been set up. We can tell that things have been copied because the background on your Pixel is now the same as the Samsung. This means that the wallpaper copied across perfectly. Okay, so you can check and see if your apps have copied across. I can't see the app Copy My Data yet, so what you can do again is swipe down from the top and see what notifications your phone has. Okay, let's expand the completing setup and see what the transfer process is up to. Aha, so it says it's only installed 0 out of 30 applications, so the process is stuck. Let's go back to our old phone and swipe down from the top and take a look there. Go through the notifications on your old phone and see if you can work out what might be stopping the process from finishing. In my case here, you can see I needed to authorize my new Pixel phone to use the Google account. We're not out of the woods yet. Let's see if it starts installing these applications. Awesome, there it goes. It started installing 1 out of 30 applications. If we go back in and just check our apps and make sure our apps are being installed in here. Cool, so you can see all our apps are starting to appear now. Our apps have completely downloaded now and we have the Copy My Data app. Alright, let's transfer back the other way now and we're going to use the Smart Switch app. I will reset the Samsung S23 to pretend that it's a new phone and so it doesn't have any data on it. Just like before, how we used the Pixel software to transfer the data from the Samsung to the Pixel, now we will use the Smart Switch to transfer the data from the Pixel to the Samsung phone. Alright, so just go ahead and start setting up your phone like you normally would. So as soon as you agree to the terms and conditions, the Smart Switch software comes up and it wants you to transfer the data now from the Google Pixel to the Samsung S23. So this is quite handy if you are trying to set it up with the Smart Switch application. So what we will need to do here is actually just take a photo or scan the QR code of the Samsung Galaxy. Alright, and you can see there it gives you a little link at the bottom of the screen. We just want to tap on that and then hit continue. Just go ahead and put in your password for your Google account. If you have an eSIM, you can go ahead and set it up now. Okay, now that we're on the Copy Apps and Data screen, you can just tap Next and then Allow. And then on your Pixel phone or your other phone that you're transferring data from, you'll actually get a pop-up to install the Smart Switch. If you don't get a pop-up, you can just go back into your camera and then you can do a scan with the QR code again, just like we did before. Go ahead and install the Smart Switch mobile app. If for whatever reason the process stops or the program doesn't install at any stage, just do a swipe down into your notifications menu and check that it's not actually waiting for you to tap yes it's me and authorize the install. As you can see, this happened to me twice in this whole process now. Cool, so just go ahead and tap open and then tap allow when it starts up and then tap on continue. Alright, now if you need permissions, just go in and give the Smart Switch permissions it needs to copy the data across. Sometimes it will ask twice, I'm not too sure why it does that. You kind of just follow the prompts from here, but yeah, tap on wireless and then next and then wireless on your Samsung phone. And then they should see each other in a second here. There we go, just tap on accept. You can just tap next, but if you want to select what files you want to copy across to your Samsung phone, just tap on custom. And then it will give you an options to actually go through and select what files you want to copy across. So let's say I didn't want to copy across any of these applications. I can just go ahead and take the ticks out beside it and then just click done. And then scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to hit transfer. Once that's all done, it will transfer all your data across, and then you can just go ahead and set up your phone like it's a new phone. So go ahead, accept the terms and conditions, take out any of these toggle options that you don't need or you don't want, and then just tap accept. Go ahead and set up your Samsung account if you want to. I normally just skip all of these and skip all the apps. But if you use the apps, go ahead and install them if you want them. Awesome, so all your data should be copied across now. If you tap up the top there, and it will show you the apps that we selected. Remember how we selected the Copy My Data app? Okay, so you should be all done now. Now, if you are still having troubles transferring data, we're going to use the Copy My Data app. So this is kind of like a last resort. If you have a model of Android that just doesn't want to transfer any data, then this is the app for you. So the Copy My Data, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Just go ahead and go to the Google Play Store, type Copy My Data, and it will allow you to download it. I'm just going to change the brightness and the timeout screen just so it doesn't time out while we're copying across the data. Cool, so inside the Copy My Data app, you'll have to give it access to all the files, so it will be able to transfer your files, grab your files from one phone and transfer it to the other. And you have to do this on both phones, of course. Alright, so once that's done, just go back out and then tap on allow if you get prompted for allow, and then next, and then Wi-Fi. And then do the same on your Pixel phone if you get prompted for it. Go ahead and tap select. Tap on send data if you want to send data across, and then just confirm the PIN on your other Android phone. Okay, just go ahead and select next. And then that should transfer any files across between your phones. Really easy, really simple, and works on a really wide range of Android phones. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it from me. If this was a helpful video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments field below. And thanks for watching guys, bye bye.